Today we're going to learn about some facial features in Bangla. The facial features that we're going to talk about today are eyes, nose and lips. The first one is eyes, which means chok in Bangla. Now let's put it in a sentence. The girl's eyes are beautiful. Meetir chok shundor. Say it with me. Meetir chok shundor. Meetir chok shundor. The girl's eyes are beautiful. Now let's break the sentence down. The girl's means meetir, eyes means chok, are beautiful means shundor. The girl's eyes are beautiful. Meetir chok shundor. And for another sentence we can say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, which means shundorjo darshoker chokhe. Say it with me. Shundorjo darshoker chokhe. Shundorjo darshoker chokhe. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Here, the beauty means shundorjo, is in the eye means chokhe, beholder means darshoker. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Shundorjo darshoker chokhe. And for the next facial feature, we're going to say nak, which means nose in Bangla. Let's put it in a sentence. My nose is jammed from the cold. Amar nak ঠান্ডায় বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে. আমার নাক ঠান্ডায় বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে. আমার নাক ঠান্ডায় বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে. My nose is jammed from the cold. Here, my nose means আমার নাক, is jammed means বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে. From the cold means ঠান্ডায়. ঠান্ডায় আমার নাক বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে. My nose is jammed from the cold. And for another sentence, we can say he broke his nose. সে তার নাক ভেঙে ফেলেছে. Repeat with me. সে তার নাক ভেঙে ফেলেছে. সে তার নাক ভেঙে ফেলেছে. He broke his nose. Here, he means সে, broke means ভেঙে ফেলেছে, his means তার, nose means নাক. He broke his nose. সে তার নাক ভেঙে ফেলেছে. And for the last facial feature, we're going to say lips, which means throat in Bangla. Let's put it in a sentence. In winter, take care of your lips. শীতকালে তোমার ঠোঁটের যত্ন নাও. Say it with me. শীতকালে তোমার ঠোঁটের যত্ন নাও. শীতকালে তোমার ঠোঁটের যত্ন নাও. In the winter, take care of your lips. Here, in the winter means শীতকালে, take care means যত্ন নাও, of your means তোমার, and lips means ঠোঁট. So, শীতকালে তোমার ঠোঁটের যত্ন নাও. And for the last sentence, we're going to say she's putting lipstick on her lips. সে তার ঠোঁটে লিপস্টিক দিচ্ছে. Now say it with me. সে তার ঠোঁটে লিপস্টিক দিচ্ছে. সে তার ঠোঁটে লিপস্টিক দিচ্ছে. She's putting lipstick on her lips. Here, she means she, is putting means দিচ্ছে, on her means তার, lips means ঠোঁট. She's putting lipstick on her lips. So that's it for today. If you want more customized lessons, check out links in the description which will lead you to Tinkers online Bangla tutoring services. And if you want to speak like a native Bengali, then subscribe.